In oil production, artificial lift is the backbone of many producing wells. For decades, the traditional beam pumping unit, commonly known as the nodding donkey, has been widely used. However, as wells become deeper and more complex, traditional systems face limitations. This is where long-stroke pumping systems, such as the Rotaflex Long-Stroke Pumping Unit, become essential. The Rotaflex is a surface mechanical rod lift system designed to operate a downhole reciprocating pump. Unlike the traditional beam pump, Rotaflex uses a vertical, chain-driven mechanism that allows for very long and smooth strokes. The system starts with a prime mover, which can be an electric motor or a gas engine. This prime mover drives a gear reducer that lowers the speed and increases torque, making it suitable for heavy rod loads. The gearbox rotates a drive sprocket connected to a roller chain. As the sprocket turns, the chain moves a weight box up and down in a vertical path. The weight box contains counterweights that balance the load of the sucker rod string. This balanced motion reduces the power required from the motor and minimizes mechanical stress. The motion of the weight box is transferred through a load belt to the polished rod. This creates a smooth reciprocating motion that drives the downhole rod pump. One of the key advantages of the Rotaflex system is its long stroke length. Rotaflex units can achieve stroke lengths of up to 9 meters, which is significantly longer than conventional beam pumps. This long stroke allows more time for fluid to enter the pump during each cycle. As a result, pump fillage improves and production efficiency increases. Compared to traditional beam pumping units, Rotaflex generates lower acceleration and deceleration forces. This reduces rod fatigue, tubing wear, and the risk of mechanical failures. Energy efficiency is another major advantage. Because the load is well balanced and the motion is smooth, Rotaflex systems typically consume less power than beam pumps. Rotaflex units are especially suitable for deep wells, deviated wells, heavy oil production, and wells with high rod loads. They also have a smaller surface footprint and operate more quietly than conventional pumping units. In summary, the Rotaflex Long-Stroke Pumping Unit is an advanced mechanical rod lift solution. Its long stroke, smooth operation, and high efficiency make it a strong alternative to traditional beam pumping systems in challenging well conditions.